Viewers and subs, Alkaline fans, boo Bounty Killer. Yeah man, the entertainer go for perform and half of the fans are walk out while half are boo him. Them even cut the G mic. So him couldn't perform none at all. Viewers and subs have beer things go on. I'm going to show you the clip.
G have to go defend himself.
Remember viewers and subs.
Yeah man, so Bounty Killer when he go perform and the fans them start boo him.
Some start walk out. Even Bounty Killer might get cut. So a beer things go on. I'm going to show you the clip. Remember viewers and subscribers, in Jamaica, you have Gaza and you have Vendetta. Two are the biggest clan them in Jamaica. So you see, if you have this the Vendetta boss, the fans them come at you. If you have this Vibes Cartel, the Gaza fans them come at you. Viewers and subs, check this out.
Even if I had to kill some boy again, I would not change a thing. My war is everlasting. Suddenly, their lives have no meaning to me. Yet they kill me, murder them all. The other them come, them fall. They make the war wake up. Suddenly, they all in blood. They make the war wake up. Suddenly, they all in blood. Ooh, my guns are everything that I should want or more. 1,000 bullets cannot explain how much pussy will me kill before. Ending the name of guns aboard the shore. I never felt like this before. I'm the guns I'm living for. Suddenly,
they lock off the mic. Usher him out. Lock off the music for the legend. Oh no. Don't cry. Oh shit. Boy Killer. Don't this the youth. Empty the place, empty on the dog.
So you can clearly see when Bounty Killer a perform and the fans them a walk out. And also here when one of the fans them say they might get locked off and you see Bounty Killer a walk away. Viewers and subs, me not sure if I've done the performance done or he might just get locked off. You see me? So me not sure what really go on there, so but you can clearly see when the fans them a walk out. Viewers and subs have beer things go on for Bounty Killer.
Bounty Killer, I think this supposed to be a lesson now in a killer. Let me tell you something. As much as our dancehall, no one believe it. You see Alkaline and Vibes Cartel are the two biggest thing in a dancehall. You see Alkaline fan base and Vibes Cartel fan base is not a fan base for no ramp with. Bounty Killer, you feel the full flood of that last night at the Barclay Arena because you're this Alkaline. Bounty Killer, Alkaline have more fans than you, Bounty Killer. Alkaline fans them more serious about them artists more than all your fans them serious about you, Bounty Killer. So when you come on to Vibes Cartel and Alkaline, them fans very serious about them entertainer. You diss them entertainer, you diss them. Vendetta movements and Gaza and no play thing in a dancehall. So Bounty Killer, as veteran as you be, by you continuously dissing Alkaline and try to small up Alkaline, you are going to water down your legacy, Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer, you are going to water down your legacy. In a your age now where your respect supposed to be on the roof, enough people now go respect you because you feel like you can't take set for Alkaline. Remember you say no. Anytime you're Alkaline buck up, you have to defend it. And your Alkaline must buck up a Barclay because you're on the same show. If you did want to find him 10, you could have find it too.